Which of the following alkenes is most suitable for the preparation of butanone by Ose analysis? Let us write the structure of butanone: CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This is butanone. Okay, let us see the first structure. This is the compound which on Ose analysis. So what is the shortcut you have to remember? Remove this double bond, put plus in between, put double bond O with these carbon atoms. Remove the double bond, put double bond O there. So what will I get? Double bond O plus double bond O. What is this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is butanone. This is also butanone. Now let us take second option. Second option, how is the compound? This is the compound which on Ose analysis. Which on Ose analysis? Remove this double bond, put a double bond OH on these two carbon atoms. So what will I get? Butanone I will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanal I will get CH3, CH2, CH2, CH4. So second option is ruled out because along with butanone I am getting some other compound, butanal. Third option, let us see. Third one is like this. This is the third compound. So what is there on the arrow? Ozone and zinc. What shortcut I taught you? Remove double bond, put plus in between and write double bond O and double bond O. This shortcut I already explained in the PU content also. You just can go through that. About Ose analysis I have given a detailed explanation. So what will I get? C double bond OH, double bond OH. I am getting aldehyde here. So this option is also ruled out. Now last option. Double bond is here. So remove this double bond and put double bond O and double bond O on the carbon. Double bond O and double bond O. Means this is butanone but this is not butanone. So this option is also ruled out. So what is the shortcut for Ose analysis of alkynes? Remove this double bond, put plus in between. Remove this double bond, put plus in between and write double bond O on the two carbon atoms. That is the shortcut. So if you do this, what you are getting? We should get which are the following alkenes is more suitable for preparation of butanone. So option A should be our